no problem if the camera is going, or maybe some network issues there. So, good morning, everyone. Take out
Good
your
morning,
math
ma'am.
classwork notebook today.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. A very good morning to all of you. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Take out your maths classwork notebook, not the revision notebook today. Maths classwork notebook, everyone. Please take out fast. We will wait one more minute for the students to join the class.
Good morning, Renu, ma'am.
Good morning. I request everyone, please open your maths notebook. Let everyone join the class and then we will start after 1 minute.
Ma'am, today is not revision.
Today, first we will do the classwork.
Okay, ma'am.
So children, now I will start the class. How many students have joined?
14. I'm
Yes.
14.
Please join on time. Okay, I'll present my screen now. So the today's concept which we are doing, Veer Kinsara, please join on time next time, please. I'm going to present my screen now. Children, as you all know that we have done the conversion of units in meters and centimeters. Then we have learned how to add the meters and centimeters. Then we have learned how to subtract the meters and centimeters. Till here you all are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Addition and subtraction of units. We have learned conversion of units. You all are clear till here? Moksh, you were absent yesterday, but I have sent the
Yes, ma'am.
video. Are you clear, Moksh Patel?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now today we will do the conversion of kilometers and meters. You have learned that kilometers also come in the measurement of length. When we measure the distance, we use the unit kilometers. Yes or no? So Arav Apani will tell me. Arav Apani, 1 kilometer equals to how many meters?
1,000.
Very good, 1,000. If 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, so Deer Kinsara will tell me 6
Yes,
kilometer
ma'am.
will be how many meters?
6,000 meters.
Very good. How you have find out?
Ma'am, ma'am, see the one see 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 centimeters. So,
Hmm.
6 kilometers is equal to 6,000 meters.
Very good. Moksh Patel, 7 kilometers is equals to how many meters?
7,000.
7,000. 7 multiplied by 1,000 equals to 7,000. Okay. Now, my next question is from Krishav Huria. Krishav Huria. Krishav. I hope you attending the class at your place, someone else is not attending, right? So please turn on your camera and give me the answer. Krishav, there is no responses coming from your side. Many of the times I have noted. Okay. Yes, Krishav. Krishav, now tell me. Can you hear me, Krishav? Krishav, can you hear me? I will move to the next child. Moin Kuledi. Moin Kuledi.
Yes.
Moin, 8 kilometers equals to how many meters? 8 kilometers equals to how many meters? 8 multiplied by 1000, when you do, what you will get? 8000. Got it? Yes. So now I will show you my screen. Please write the unit also. Arav, if you are writing the answer, 8000 is not the answer. 8000 meter is the answer. If you forget to write the unit, your answer will be wrong, because 8000 is what? I don't know what is 8000. It can be 8000 rupees. It can be 8000 kg. It can be 8000 liters. If you don't put the proper unit after the number, I am not aware what you are writing. So I will put a big cross on it. Not even I. Whoever so will check will give you a wrong answer. Got it? So I'm going to present my screen and will explain you more about this. Can you all see my worksheet here? Yes or no? Because when I present, I'm not able to see you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am,
So
clearly.
first question. Yes,
We will not do revision today.
we do later on. First, we do the classwork. Okay. So open your class notebooks because you need to write these questions. Write today's date 16 June. Write C.W. Topic is measurement conversion of units, kilometers and meters. Convert the following measurement into meters. There is 8 kilometers. So 8 kilometers. Jignesh, how many meters? Jignesh, can you tell me?
Ma'am, 8000 meters.
Children, please start writing in your notebooks also. Next child will tell me. Vedi.
Yes, ma'am.
Vedi, 14 kilometer. Next question is the 14 kilometer is equals to how many meters?
14,000 meters.
Yes, 14 multiplied by 1000 is 14,000. But sometime some comes in the kilometer and something comes in the meters also. And always remember, in kilometer meter, there should be 3 digits in the meters. Why? Because it is multiplying by the 1000. In meter centimeter, we have done, there should be compulsory 2 digits should be there in the centimeter. But from kilometer to meters, there should be 3 digits in the meters. Why? Because it is, yes?
Ma'am, you can zoom some.
Yeah. I will make it enlarge it. Wait a minute. Now can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it is compulsory. There should be, there is 3 digits should be there in the meters, because 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters and 1000 is having 3 digits of 3 zeros, right? So in meter there should be 3 digits. It's compulsory. Now, if something in kilometers and something in meters, what you do in this case, 6 kilometers and 750 meters. Are you all writing along with me? Yes or no? Please give me answer, because when I present, I'll not able to see you all.
Excuse me, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I can't see your screen.
Astha, present on my presentation screen. Either or, if you face difficulty, log out and log in again.
Papa.
Mute yourself, please. Is there any other child facing difficulty?
Ma'am, but we have to do in revision notebook.
No, in class notebook. This is class work.
Okay, ma'am.
This is classwork in the class notebook. Don't get confused with the revision or class notebook. We are doing the chapter 2 means it is will go in
We
the.
have to write this 8 kilometers.
Ma'am, you don't even put comma.
Yes, I will put it. Wait a minute. So when there is kilometers and meter, both the values are given. How you will convert the complete into the meters? First, you convert the 6 kilometers into the meters. 6 multiplied by 1000 is 6000. And you will add the meters in it because meters is already in meters. So you will add 6000 plus 750 is 6750 meters. Got it, everyone? Till here, it is clear to everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Please do these 3 questions fast, then I will explain you. Once you are done with it, please let me know. I hope everyone is writing in their class notebook. Please write in your maths classwork notebook, not in the revision.
Ma'am, we have to write question 2.
Yeah, if you have completed the one, then write the question number 2.
Okay.
Convert the following measurement into kilometers and meters. Kilometer is a bigger unit and meters is a smaller unit. From smaller unit to bigger unit, if you are going, you need to divide it with the 1000. 5672 meters are given to you, and we are going to the bigger unit, means now you need to convert it into the kilometers. So when you convert the meter into the kilometer, you divide it with the 1000. And when you are dividing any number with the 1000, 100 or 10, you just see the number of zeros and separate that many digits from the back. For example, 1000 is having 3 zeros. So 3 digits from the back, like ones, tens and hundreds. 3 digits will go in the meters and the remaining digits will be in the kilometers.
Done, ma'am.
So the answer of the first here will be 5 will go in the kilometers and 672 will go in the meters. Now I will
Ma'am, we have
ask,
to write question 2 also.
yes.
Ma'am, you forgot comma.
It's okay. Where I have forgot comma? Here, no?
In the A1, 8000.
8000. You put comma, okay? Because you have already learned. I have already teach you how to put.
And ma'am, there and 14 multiply 1000 in there also.
There I have written 14,000.
For there.
Now, okay?
Hello, ma'am. Please show first question.
Which child is saying?
Ma'am.
Mohammed, please be little faster. The first one is this one. You want to see
Ma'am,
the
then
question also?
ma'am, then will we learn divide and division to centimeters and meters, kilometers.
Dwani?
Ma'am.
Yes.
I can't understand the second question.
Okay, I will explain again. Let everyone complete the question number 1 first. Please mute yourself. Now I am going to the second question. Listen the second question carefully. Am I audible clearly to you all? One child will turn on the mic and tell me yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I will explain you second question again. See, Pritika, you were asking, right?
Yes,
Pritika,
ma'am.
yeah, please pay attention here. And others also, those who have not understood, please pay attention here. Convert the following measurement into kilometer and meter. following measurement which is already in meter it is given, and you need to convert it into the kilometers, and the remaining, if something is there, that will be in the meters. So when you are converting, the meter is the smaller unit, from smaller unit to the bigger unit, right? Bigger unit is kilometer. From smaller unit to bigger unit, when you do, you divide it, and you divide it by what? Because 1 meter equals to 1000, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters, so you will divide it with the 1000. 1 meter is equals to 1 upon 1000 kilometers. So the number is 5672. This is the meters. When you divide this 5672 by the 1000, so 1000, when you divide any number by having 100, 10, 1000, you have learned that 10 is having 1 0, so you separate the one digit and the another digit will be remaining. Now here is the 1000. 1000 is having 3 zeros. So from the back, from ones place, ones, tens and 100, 3 digits will go in
Ma'am,
the meters. Let me explain. If I'm explaining, no disturbance I need. After the explanation, you ask me the questions. So 1000 is having 3 zeros, and from the question like 5672, 3 digits will go in your meters and the remaining will go in the kilometers. If there is a 5-digit number also, right? If there is a 5, for example, I will write here something. Don't copy that. Just for the explanation, I am writing here. Sorry. Like 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, right, Ritika? The 5-digit number. So when you convert this 5-digit, this is this much meter. Am I audible to you all?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. If this is the number and you need to convert it into the kilometers, so what you will do, you divide this number by 1000. 1000 is having 3 zeros. So separate the 3 digits from the back, like ones, tens and 100. 3 digits will go in the meters and the remaining 2 digits will be in the kilometers. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now
Got
can you see me? My camera is opening.
Great. Same way, the next also, convert 6309. Please mute your mics, everyone. I
Now
request
can
to
you
you
see
all.
me?
There, Jignesh, when I present the screen, I'll not able to see anyone. So let me explain. I'll come to see you.
Okay, ma'am.
Next is 6309. So 6309 when divided by the 1000. So 3 digits from the back, ones, tens and 100. 3 places will go in the meters and the remaining numbers will be, digits will be your kilometers. फिर चाहे कितना भी बड़ा नंबर आ जाए, right? Got it, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please copy it down.
Can you zoom a bit? Ma'am, can you? Ma'am, I have written on another way. Can you see?
Yeah, let me pin you. Wait a minute. Wait, I'll stop the presentation. Wait, pin you. Okay, you have done 5 kilometers. 5672 divided by 1005. So add 672 in it. Yes. Add will not be here, no? Add word will not come here. Here,
Okay, ma'am.
right? Okay, I'm presenting the screen now. Please do this.
Show me the A1.
A1 is already there visible.
Ma'am, first question.
Which child is this? First question and A1. Which child, my dear? Can you tell me the name? Who was asking for the first question? Dheer.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Dheer, you know it's already 20 minutes have passed when our class has started already. Already 20 minutes have passed. In 20 minutes, you have not completed even a one question. Where were you, my dear? Tell me.
My sister was yeah, so she was.
My dear, if I will wait for you one child only the 20 minutes, what about the other students then?
Done, ma'am.
Please complete the remaining questions and then I will send this in the classroom. Please complete the remaining questions, which you can see from the screen. Children, once you complete, please let me know.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, very, very good. Yes.
Ma'am, in second one, first one A, there was 1 kilometer or 1,000 kilometer we have to write.
1 meter equals to 1 upon 1000 kilometers.
Excuse me,
1
ma'am.
meter equals to 1 divided by 1000
You got
kilometers.
worksheets?
I will check and I will revert you back.
Ma'am, where we have to send the revision box?
There is a revision folder, maths revision folder. There you can attach your work.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you all complete it? Have you completed, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I have done.
Yes.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Done?
No, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Please do it fast. Can I stop now?
Ma'am, how did we? I didn't understand that.
Which one?
Convert the following measurement into kilometers and meters.
As I told you, when it is given in the meters, meters is a smaller unit or the bigger unit?
It's smaller.
So from smaller to bigger, when you are converting, divide it with the 1000. And when you are dividing with the 1000, separate the 3 digits from the back to the 1000. Either you do the long division method, or if you don't want to do long division, you directly do the answer. Take the 3 digits from the back, ones, tens and 100 will be as the meters, and the remaining digits will be as the kilometers. Remaining means उसमें 2 digit भी बचती हैं, 3 भी बचती हैं, 4 भी बचती हैं. How many remaining digits are there? That all will go in the kilometers. And only 3 digits from the back will go in the meters. Why 3 digits? Because it is dividing by the 1000. Done?
But we are dividing by 100, so only two digit will go.
Yes, but here it is relation with the 1000 because 1 kilometer equals to how many meters? 1000 meters. So that is why we need to divide it with the 1000. Got it, the Dhwani? Tell me yes or no. Okay. I will stop the presentation now. You will get this in your classwork now as a classwork in your maths folder.
Ma'am, I have only write last one only.
No problem, Ayush. You can complete it later on when I'll send it into the classroom. Got it? Okay. So now, children, as you know that in the meter centimeter also we have learned the addition, right? So in this also kilometers and meters, I will teach you the addition sums also. Let me present my screen and show you the video based on the addition of kilometers and meters. Can you all see this? My dear children, sometimes you have a habit of just showing the thumbs up, but when I present the screen, I don't able to
Yes,
see
ma'am.
you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Add 63 kilometers and meters. Add
And see to it very, very carefully. When you are adding kilometers and meters, please look here. Jigne, don't talk with anyone. Look here at the screen. Dhwani, everyone, please look at the screen. When you are adding these numbers, kilometer and meters, children, have you all noticed that when we were adding the meters and centimeters, only 2 digits are compulsory in the centimeters? Why? Why only 2 digits are having in the compulsory in the centimeters?
Ma'am, don't know.
I have explained yesterday.
Only 2 digits to plus and minus.
Ma'am, because 3 digit will come, it will become a meter.
Yes. And then meter will be converted. Yes. So here in the kilometers and meters, they are compulsory to have 3 digits in the
Number.
meters. 3 digits. Why? They say 983 है, यहाँ तक तो वो meters है. 985 है, then also it is a meter. 999 है, तब भी वो meter है. पर 1000 बनते ही वो क्या बन जाएगा? 1 किलोमीटर में चेंज हो जाता है.
Yes, ma'am, kilometer.
1 किलोमीटर में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. So it is compulsory to have 3 digits in the meters. If there is 2 digits only, you add the 0 before the number, not after the number. For example, here if you can see 65 meters, so 60, Dhwani, if I see you busy in somewhere else, I will not able to explain you again. Got it? Pay attention here on the screen only. So 65 meters is the 2 digits. So if you make it as 650, means after the number, if you write 0, your answer will be wrong. So you write first 0, then 65. Then it will be assumed as 65 meters. If you add the 0 at the back of the 5, your answer will be wrong. So I will present the screen and show you how to note down in the columns and how to add them. 63 kilometers you will add in the kilo. First you make 2 columns, kilometers and meters. So 63 kilometers and 63 ka friend is 65 will go in the meters. But nothing is here, we write 0. You will not write 65 first and then 0. No, then it will become 650, which will be wrong. Because you have only 65 meters, you cannot make it 650 meters. So you write the 0 first and then 65. 26 kilometers, 983 meters. Now you will add them. The way you are adding, 5 plus 3 is 8. I'll show you the addition. So you write 0 here. I'll show you 5 plus 3 is 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. 4 will come here. 1 will go carry over. 9 plus 1 is 10. Now you cannot write 10 here. Then you don't want 4 digits here. So if it is 10, means one you are carrying forward to the next number and 48 will be the remaining. 0 you will write here. 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 plus 1 will go up. 6 plus 1 is 7 plus 2 is 9. So I will play this video from the beginning so that you can see it again properly, and I'm going to mute it.
Kilometers and meters. Add 63 kilometer, 65 meters and 26 kilometer, 983 meters. Arrange kilometers and meters in columns as shown on screen. Write 65 as 065. Add like whole numbers. Regroup meters into kilometers if needed. So the sum of 63 kilometer, 65 meters and 26 kilometer, 983 meters is equal to 90 kilometer, 48 meters.
A minute.
Good morning, student. So as you know, our chapter is going.
So now you understood how to add. right? Kilometers and meters. I will present you the worksheet. You will only get one worksheet today, conversion of the kilometers and the meters. But tomorrow you don't have class. So tomorrow you will get the worksheet based on the addition of kilometers and the meters along with the video. Not today. Today only you will get the conversion of units, kilometers and meters worksheet. I'll show you the this worksheet. Wait a minute, I'll present you. Can you all see this worksheet?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the kilometer addition of kilometers and the meters. This worksheet you will get tomorrow as your as your homework, along with the video of the addition. And today you will get the worksheet based on the conversion of the units. Okay. So I am going to present you the screen. Yes. So two sums from this start doing in the class notebook. Fast. Arrange in columns and add the following lengths. Do two sums in the classwork now, and the remaining will be your homework. There are total 8 sums, 6 will be your homework, which you will do tomorrow. So start doing 4 kilometers, 476 meters, 5 kilometer, 54 meter. Add them and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, in revision book?
This is your revision, my dear.
No.
This is your running topic, which is related to the chapter long and short. When there is a need of writing in the revision notebook, I will tell you. Right.
In 4 meters, 467 kilo 4 kilometer and 476 meters plus 5 kilometer, 54 meters. So, in kilometer column, we have to write 0.
You can write also, you don't write also in kilometer, it will be okay, because both the digits are one digit only, 4 kilometer and the 5 kilometer. If you don't write, then also okay. If you write, then also okay. See this way, if you write 2 digits here in the kilometers, can you see the answer key? Both the ways are right. But if the if mute yourself, if you find 14 kilometer and 5 kilometer, then it is compulsory to write the 0 before 5. But if both the digits are one single digit, then it is not compulsory. You can write or don't write.
I can do this page after this. After question 2, I can do it.
Yes, you can do on this next page. Mute yourself, please. I'm going to present it. Please do 2 sums and write the answer in the chat box. Children, if you can see here, this is not clearly visible to you. This number, this is 4. Can you see here my cursor? Children, can you see my cursor here when I'm rounding up?
Yes, ma'am.
It is 54 meter, 37 kilometer, 963 meter. The next group is 28 kilometer, 54 meter. And the third group is 8 kilometer, 181 meter. There are 3 groups which you need to add. It is 54.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Please go. Please write the answer in the chat box. Is there any child who has completed the first one? Let me check the chat box. Please write. Okay. Ayush Miani, 9 kilometer, 534 meters.
Ma'am.
No, 34 is wrong.
Ma'am,
Moin Kuledi is right.
I read by mistake.
Okay. Array is right. Please do. I want the second answer also. Is anyone writing the second answer?
Yes, ma'am. But the second question.
Second answer, I want second answer, students.
Ma'am, can you show the second one?
Yeah.
Ma'am, but it's 28 kilometers and 54 meters.
Yes. Eight kilometers, 181 meters. Third group is. Please write the answer fast. Can anyone tell me, turn on the mic and tell me the answer of second one? Students, I'm asking from you all.
Excuse me, ma'am. I am confused in the second one. I can't.
Second one, there are three groups. Add them simply. Very simply add them. Got
Okay,
it?
ma'am.
The way you are adding.
Ma'am, why you have done 2 time attendance?
Ma'am, can you show?
It's because some log out, some log in. That is the
Ma'am, can you
reason.
show the
Yeah, I'll show you. Wait a minute. Can you see this? 37 kilometer, 963 meters, 28 kilometer, 54 meters, plus 8 kilometers, 181 meters. So children, today's your home task is, for today, I will send a worksheet based on the conversion of the kilometers and the meters, conversion of the units. And tomorrow I will send this worksheet, the addition that you will do. Along with the video I will send that you will do in your notebook. Clear? I want the second answer, please. And then,
Ma'am, can you just show for a minute?
yes, please.
Ma'am, sir,
For
74 kilometer, 198 meter.
74 198. Yes, very good. The answer is right. So children, you will get this worksheet tomorrow. Don't worry. You will get this worksheet tomorrow. You can complete all the 8 questions and attach your work. Today you will get the worksheet based on the conversion of kilometers and the meters. Okay. Thank you children for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.